Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick summer recap. I'm also going to be sharing with you top brunch places in London, top bakeries in London, and also where you can go to get an affordable, quick Japanese fix. I'm also going to be sharing with you a bonus location where I've tried cuisine that I've never had before, so remember to stay till the end to check that out as well. Good morning everybody. Summer in London has been amazing. It's been really warm. I've been having so much fun, just kind of taking a bit of time off from everything. But I am back now and it's time to get some breakfast ready. So this is pretty much what I've been eating every day. I'm gonna do a quick voiceover of the things that I've been doing over the past few weeks. I went to Surbiton to watch the Surbiton Tennis Championship and I got to see Andy Murray in the flesh, like he was right in front of me, and actually that was like one of the coolest experiences.
From Australia, Jordan Thompson, and his opponent for this semi-final, the number 2 seed from Great Britain, Sir Andy Murray.
It was like such a fun day. Although I feel like it was really hot outside because you were basically sitting in the sun for hours and hours, and I kept reapplying sunscreen, and when I got home I feel like I was kind of delirious and just in a daze. The championship was just so cool and I had lots and lots of fun watching it. Some of the summer essentials that I've just purchased is this. It feels so good because it's really cooling as well. The next thing I got is this California Aloe Sun Stick. It comes like this and put it on. It actually doesn't feel like you put anything on, but it's quite like a matte stick, and there is a little bit of an aloe vera smell, but that's about it. You don't really feel it at all, which is kind of cool. And then I also went to my friend's hen party. The weather is so glorious. It's kind of crazy how everyone's just getting engaged now, and it's celebration after celebration, and it's so exciting because we've just been with each other for all our lives and everyone's going into a new chapter, and that's also super exciting. I also had a barbecue last weekend with Ian's family. Are you excited for a barbecue, Ian?
Sure. Look at this bad boy. Bad boy.
Bought a new barbecue grill and we had such delicious burgers. And the grilled vegetables were also so amazing. London in summer is just so amazing. Once the sun is out, there's just like infinite things that you can do here. And I've just been enjoying it like so much. I've also been playing a lot of golf. I'm obsessed. I think I'm definitely in my middle-aged era with like golf and tennis, and I am just loving it. We've also been exploring London a little bit more. We went out for lots of brunches, and I'll play a few clips on the places that we've been to. We are at Chestnut Belgravia and we got a pineapple chocolate. That will just be a compilation of places that I've been to. I'm about to head out for a birthday brunch. I'll see you guys there. We are going to Lantana because the pancake house is full. We are so full right now.
Oh.
That meal only cost us £18. If you want a fry up, go there. We're at Katsute now in Angel having a matcha and hajucha latte, and we're sitting in the outdoor garden. Such a great day! Going for our date, and what does he say?
There's uncle.
Back in London. That's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next one.